Thank you for viewing the Pine Animal Hospital blogs. I'm Dr. Steve, owner and lead veterinarian at Pine Animal Hospital. Today I'd like to talk to you about skin allergies in dogs and cats, which is one of the most common issues that dogs and cats present to us with. So often dogs and cats show up to our practice itching away at themselves, and on examination, these dogs generally have red, itchy, inflamed skin with scabs and other issues. We also see that these dogs and cats often have ear infections. While there are many different causes of itching in dogs and cats, there are generally 3 distinct allergies, including fleas, food, and environment, that lead to problems that we see commonly. While it's inflammation from allergies that initiate the itching in a dog or cat, it's the secondary bacterial infection or yeast infections that also contribute and worsen the itching. But other illnesses such as mange and hypothyroidism can also lead to the same signs as allergies. That's why it's important to test for those illnesses to make sure that they are not what's causing the itching to begin with. Following a physical exam, we generally recommend 3 initial tests to rule out mange and look for bacteria and yeast on the skin and in the ears. These tests are performed by doing a deep skin scraping on a dog or cat, doing a skin smear or impression smear, and doing an ear smear where we take a sample from the ear. All of these are put onto slides and then stained for us to look at under the microscope. So with the samples that we have just taken, what we do is we put them out on a slide, we stain the slide, and then we look at it under the microscope. With the skin scraping, we are looking for mites. Here's an example of a Demodex mite that we saw under the microscope from one of our patients. With the skin and ear smears, we are looking for an abnormally large amount of bacteria and yeast, or the presence of mites in the ears. Here's an example of a skin smear showing lots of yeast and bacteria, and here's an example of a mite that we found under the microscope from the ear of one of our cat patients. These tests are essential because 1, they contribute to the itchiness of the dog or cat, and 2, there are specific treatments depending on what the results are of the tests. Because skin allergies in dogs and cats are often ongoing chronic conditions, they require more advanced testing. Thyroid blood tests are particularly important to do in animals that present with potential skin allergies, because low thyroidism in dogs can look just like skin allergies, and therefore we need to rule that out as the cause of the itching in the dog. The other common test that we do for dogs and cats with allergies is an allergy panel, which tells us what exactly in the environment the dog or cat is allergic to, including dust mites, grasses, trees, and pollens. And while we do have the ability to do blood tests for food allergies, these tests are generally unreliable. That is why the only way to really truly diagnose food allergy is to do a hypoallergenic food trial for at least 6 to 8 weeks. With the results from these tests in mind, we can then treat for the specific causes of itching and skin infections. We even have the ability to potentially cure, if not reduce, the symptoms of allergies with allergen sensitization therapy. But what we like to do here at Pine Animal Hospital is incorporate the practice of integrative medicine, where we use the usual medications from Western medicine when absolutely necessary, but also incorporate alternative therapies such as alternative diets, supplements, and herbal medications to augment the animal's body physiology. Of course, prevention is the easiest way to minimize allergies in your pets. The most common cause of skin allergies in dogs and cats is fleas. Therefore, it is extremely important to use a high-quality flea preventative every month on your dog or cat. What's unique to Pine Animal Hospital is our belief in giving a high-quality diet to our pets in order to minimize food allergies and to strengthen the natural physiologic functions of the animal's body. Therefore, we carry a unique set of diets for both dogs and cats that have novel proteins and minimal carbohydrates. I hope this helped in educating you in what is becoming one of the most common medical ailments facing dogs and cats today. If you would like to contact us or for more information, please find our contact info at www.pineanimalhospital.com. Thank you for watching the Pine Animal Hospital blogs.